Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today's video I am so excited for. I'm going to be testing the Beauty Works MAE curl kit. I actually won this in a competition. So I entered like a raffle on Instagram, and basically I entered the raffle. I think I paid like £6 or something. I think I bought 2 tickets and actually won it. I won this I think like 3 or 4 weeks ago, and I've been saving the curl kit for a video because I really wanted to react on camera and I wanted you guys to see what I thought of it. So yeah, so I'm going to be testing this and I'm really hoping that I'm going to be impressed, because honestly I've been so excited to use it and I wanted it for ages, but I'm pretty sure it's around like £80 or £90 maybe. I think it's like £80. So it's super expensive, so I could never justify spending that much money on a curler. So the fact that I won it, I'm just so excited and grateful. So yeah, before I get started, please could you subscribe to us, please like our video and comment below anything you would like to see from us in the future, and yeah, let's get into the video. I actually haven't opened it yet, so you're actually going to see me open it. Oh god. Yeah, so it basically comes in this really cute box, and when you open it I will show you what you get. So you get a Beauty Works MAE hairbrush. So I'm pretty sure these are really good for if you have extensions. So I actually, pre-lockdown, I usually have Beauty Works extensions in. Just before we went into lockdown, I got them taken out, and obviously I've been at home, so my friend hasn't been able to put them in. But I'm excited for when I do get them back in to be able to use this, because apparently it's really good for extensions. And yeah, so it's a really cute brush as well. Let me just try and get that to focus. I watched another review though, and apparently, oh, I don't know, I remember watching another review, and the girl said that it doesn't really feel like it's brushing your hair properly, like it doesn't feel like it's getting to your root properly, but I feel like it does. But I'm pretty sure it's for like your hair post curls, so like once you've curled your hair, I'm pretty sure it's a brush to sort of like brush over the curls, so they go nice and loose. So the next thing that I can see is the actual curler. So I'm pretty sure, let me just see what the width is of the barrel so that I can just let you know. Okay, so the barrel width is 32mm, and the barrel length is 18.5 centimeters. And it's an adjustable temperature from 80 degrees to 220 degrees. So usually when I curl my hair, I have it sort of at the highest. You get 10 pin curls, you get the paddle brush, a carry case, a protective glove, and a UK electric plug, and it's £89.99. So yeah, it's quite expensive, but hopefully it'll be worth it. Here is the little glove that you get with it. I've actually never really used, I've never bothered using like a heat protective glove, but because this is just sort of like a wraparound barrel, I'm pretty sure I'll probably need it so I don't burn myself. Here are all of the clips. There's the 10 clips there. I feel like my hair is going to need more than 10 clips. I don't know, we'll have to wait and see. I do have one extra little one here in case I need it, but I might just have to like scour my room to try and find some clips if I need them. Okay, so I'm just waiting for these to heat up. It actually has a little timer on, it's going up really quick. I don't know if it has to get to 100 or something for it to be fully done. But it's like going up really quickly. It's at 93, 98, 101. Oh, I get it. It's going up as in like the temperature's going up. What are you? An idiot sandwich. Yeah, that took me ages to figure out, but it's basically, that's quite handy actually. It's got a little like timer, and it's basically just showing you what temperature it's getting up to. I don't know why I just touched it, that's really hot. So I'm just going to section my hair. So I'm not a hairdresser, let me tell you that first, just as a disclaimer so that no hairdressers come at me. But I'm literally just going to section it about, sorry if I am looking away from the lens by the way, I'm using my viewfinder as a mirror. So I'm literally just gonna pop this up like here, and then I'm just gonna clip that in there like that. So I've literally just got a Lee Stafford heat protectant shine mist, so I'm just gonna pop that sort of like towards the end of my hair, because If no one knows, I'm actually naturally a brunette, and my hair's been frazzled by bleach because I want to be blonde. So I always have to use heat protectant on the ends. So I watched a video of Molly actually using the curl kit, so I'm gonna try and sort of like take inspo from that. She says that she gets like 1 to 2 inches worth of hair, so I'm just gonna grab about that much of a section. And then she basically has said that she curls away from her face, so I'm just gonna do that. And she says that she leaves it about 10 seconds. Okay, and then I'm just gonna let it drop, and then you have to hold it in place like so. She just basically grabs one of the clips and just clips that in place. So I'm just going to take my second section and curl away from my face. Oh fuck. Oh yeah, I'm meant to be wearing the glove, aren't I? Wow, I just burnt myself. What an idiot. Wow, these pins are so good. They have little grippy bits on the inside. Love that. They have like little grippy bits on the inside so that they stay. Very nice. Right, I'm gonna put this bloody glove on because honestly, I just burnt my hand. Where's it gone? Ready for business. Okay, so I'm just gonna grab another section at the back. I will speed this up, so I will go all the way around my head and I will speed this up, so yeah. So it's not boring for you. I've got a love-hate relationship with this glove. I feel like it's so good because like when I'm holding my hair here, it actually is really hot because obviously it's just been on 220-degree heat barrel. But when I am like doing this part, when I'm pin curling my hair, like my hair gets caught on the glove, so I can't like roll my hair up, if you know what I mean. So I don't know, I've got a love-hate relationship with that glove. It's good, but it's not great. Okay, so that is the bottom section done. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take, ow, oh, it's stuck in my hair. Ow, 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 ow. So I'm basically going to start at the back and sort of work my way to the front, if you know what I mean. I'm going to do this side first and then I will do this side. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Do I put the glove on? I don't know. I don't know. Let's try without. Ow, that's really hot. Freaking ow. Okay, I'm going to have to put the glove on. So I'm basically gonna leave this section out because when I get my front sections, I like to pin curl them back like that. So I'm basically gonna take, let me have a look, probably about that much for the front, and I'm just gonna pin curl that one back. So I'm just gonna pop that over to the side for a sec. Okay, with this front section, I'm basically just gonna curl it backwards like this. Let it go. And basically, that's so hot. And I'm basically just gonna pin it in place like that. Ow, without burning my finger. Ow, ow, ow. And then there are all the pin curls done. So basically, oh, my little strap's coming down. I'm basically gonna let this cool, and then I will get back to you when I can take them all out. And hopefully I'll have beautiful, lovely, glamorous curls. I really liked the way that this curled, so I really like the size of the barrel. I don't really like sort of thin spirally curls. I like big voluminous curls, and I feel like this is the perfect size. It heated up really quickly. The pins are literally amazing. I love them. I don't know if they sell them separately, but I would want to buy more of those. 10, actually, I have quite a lot of hair. It's quite thick. So 10 pin curls actually did manage to go all the way around my head. I had to use one of my own little clips, but I would say I probably needed 11, and that's it. So I only really needed one extra one, so 10 was enough. But yeah, so far I'm really impressed with this. I really like it. And yeah, I'm just hoping that they look beautiful when I take all the pin curls out. So yeah, I will get back to you in a bit when I'm gonna go have a cup of tea, I think, and then I'll get back to you. It's Izzy's birthday today, so after I have done this, I am gonna go to hers and drop off her presents. So if you're watching, please comment belated, because this is gonna go up in a couple of days. Please wish her a happy birthday, and obviously we're still in lockdown, bless her. So I had my birthday in lockdown as well, and she's having hers in lockdown. So once we're all allowed to see each other again, and maybe some pubs and stuff can open at the end of the year, maybe we can have a good little party and just pretend it's our birthday at the end of the year. How are you all doing? Are you all coping? I hope everybody's well. I always say to everyone when they're feeling a little bit down about everything that's going on, just think that every single day that we get through is another day closer to this just all going back to normal. I mean, I don't know, it's going to be a bit of a new normal, I think, isn't it? But I feel really sorry for people that didn't start this with their boyfriends. So one of my friends is basically hasn't seen her boyfriend literally the whole time, and I'm really grateful and really lucky to have Zach with me, and I'm here with my family. Zach's made a massive sacrifice coming here because he hasn't seen his family in well over like 7 weeks now, so I feel really grateful and lucky to be here with my family and with my boyfriend. So yeah, I'm so grateful to him for staying here with me, because I don't know what I'd do if I couldn't see him for 7 weeks. But I'm so thirsty. I've just got myself some water. I don't know, this is literally the most hideous mug you could ever have. What even is this? Bombay Bad Boy pot noodle. My dad's like obsessed with pot noodles for some reason. I don't mind them. They're not like my favourite thing to eat, but I'll have one if it's like a quick fix. But I actually don't know where the hell we got this mug, because I was about to say maybe it came out of an Easter egg, but I don't think you could have pot noodle Easter egg, could you? I don't know. God knows where the hell we got that. Maybe it came as like a little multi-pack gift set. Maybe it had like a pot noodle in it or something, and my dad decided to buy it. I don't know. God, I'm so excited to take these out. I haven't curled my hair in God knows how long. I basically haven't used, since our hairstyle video, which was a good few weeks ago, I think maybe 2 weeks ago, I haven't used heat on my hair at all. I've basically been massaging oil into my hair using the inversion method, because I just want my hair to grow so badly. So I've been using the inversion method with castor oil, I don't know how to pronounce it. So I'm hoping that my hair is going to grow a little bit. It has grown a tiny bit, and it feels a lot healthier for not using heat on it, because I wouldn't say I use heat on it a lot, but I used to probably straighten it probably like twice a week, maybe 3 times a week. I'd go over it quickly, but yeah, I haven't used heat on it at all. So this is my first time using heat on it in like 2 or 3 weeks. So yeah, I'm excited to have curly hair again, because I've literally just been having my natural hair, which isn't curly and it isn't straight. It's like an in-between, like wavy, and yeah, I'm just not a fan of it. It's like full-on permanent bedhead. That's what my natural hair is. So I'm really excited to have glamorous curls. Okay, so, so excited. I would say that this, I've had them in for probably like half an hour now, so I would say maybe this is good enough for me. I don't know. Oh, I haven't put hairspray on. Do I need to put hairspray on? I saw in someone else's video, they basically, before they brushed it out with the little paddle brush that you get, they put hairspray on it and then brushed their hair. So I might do that. I might see if that works. Bear with. I don't have any like posh hairspray. It's literally just like a My Hair Matters Firm Hold hairspray. I don't know. I think Beauty Works do a hairspray that's meant to be really good for your extensions, and I think it is really good, but this is just like a cheaper one. So I'm going to use that in a minute. So I'm just going to basically take my pin curls out. Usually I would leave these in a little bit longer, but for the sake of the video I'm just going to take them out. I'm sure they have fully cooled down, so I'm sure they'll be fine. So I'm just going to start from the bottom. I'm actually just going to quickly go over because I'm worried they're going to drop out. Okay, so I've just popped some hairspray on. Wow, this looks a bit ridiculous, doesn't it? And I'm just going to pop a little bit of hairspray on the brush like that girl did in the other video. And then I'm basically just going to brush through the curls. Wow, this really gives you like voluminous curls, doesn't it? So this is the finished product. Wow, I feel very glamorous. This is not what I've been looking like in lockdown at all. I've got eyelashes on, my hair's all big and bouncy, I've got makeup on, I've got a nice little top on, I've got tan on. I'm feeling good. But I love these curls. Oh my god, they're beautiful. Let me just sit up a bit so you can see. But yeah, this is the finished product. I literally love them. I think they're so pretty. I feel very glam. But yeah, 10 out of 10. Obsessed with the wand. I think it's a perfect size. Obsessed with the clips. The glove is great if you want to use the glove, but I didn't end up using it that much because it annoyed me a little bit. But I can see like why it'd be really good because my hand did burn a little bit. I mean, I'm hoping they're going to last, but I have put hairspray on them, but I think that depends on like your hair type, whether your hair holds a curl. Mine usually does, but I'm so excited to get my extensions back in post-lockdown and try it out on my extensions. Anyway, yeah, so that's the finished product. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel to support our little baby channel, and please like the video if you enjoyed it, and comment below anything you would like to see in the future. Wish Izzy a very belated happy birthday, and we will see you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!